The Honourable Speaker has reserved the judgment after a lengthy hearing from both the sides because there are 6 cases today. I appeared for disqualification case number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of 2025 representing Harishwar Goswami against 4 NPP MLAs, namely Mayangnamam Rameswar Singh, Thongam Santi Singh, Janghinun Panmai and Irembam Nalini Devi. And there are also other 2 disqualification petitions filed by Sapam Samanuk Singh against Kurajim Loken Singh, NPP MLA, and disqualification case number 6 of 2024 filed by Thoksam Sur Singh against JDU MLA Mohammad Abdul Nasir. The petitioners, we had all the representation through their councils. So I have at length deliberated and orally submitted my submissions for almost an hour, and after which there was a break for half an hour, and then it followed the further submission from all the parties. And at the end, the Speaker decided to reserve the judgment by saying that till tomorrow 1 p.m. if there any written submission, any form of any submissions in form of writing, any sort of document, whatever may be, that may be submitted from all the parties if they have any before 1 p.m. tomorrow. As of now, all the 6 cases, their judgments have been kept reserved by the Honourable Speaker.